morning students. Today we are discussing about the topic fractions. What are fractions, types of fractions, and how do we do the operations of multiplication, division, addition and subtraction in case of fractions. Okay. Fractions. A fraction is a number that describes a relationship between a part represented by the numerator and a whole represented by the denominator. What is fraction? Fraction is a number that shows relationship between two numbers. First one is numerator and second one is denominator. What is the numerator? Numerator means a part of anything. A part of anything is said to be numerator, and denominator is the total number, a total parts in the whole, we can say. Like in short, I'm telling you what are fractions. Fraction is a part of whole or of collection. What are fractions? Fraction is a part of whole or a part of collection. Like if I'm saying you, if I'm talking about 1 hour, all of us know that in 1 hour we are having 60 minutes. In 1 hour we are having 60 minutes. So 1 minute is a part of the hour. Okay. 1 minute is a part of 1 hour. Like 1 upon 60 you can say. Is it clear? Fraction means the part of anything. If I have given example. 5 blocks we are having. Total, how many total blocks we are having? 5. And out of 5 I have shaded 3 blocks. Out of 5 I have shaded 3 blocks. So if I am asking you that tell me the fraction of the shaded region, so what that will be? How many total blocks are shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. Out of how many parts? कितने parts में से? Out of 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 5 parts. So 3 upon 5 we are having here. 3 is the numerator. Numerator means number of parts we have. 1, 2, 3. And 5 is the denominator, means total parts in a whole. Completely incomplete. How many parts we are having? 5 parts. Okay. And one thing, numerator and denominator are separated with the help of fraction bar. Numerator and denominators are separated with the fraction bar. This is said to be fraction bar. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear to all of you? Okay. In case of any doubt, just write in comment section. Okay, no one is having any doubt in this. Now, one watermelon we are having. In that, this is the whole. It is complete in itself. Now, if I am saying you to divide the watermelon in 2 equal parts, in 2 equal parts, means half you have to do. So we will cut it from the middle only. Fraction होता है equal parts. We will cut it from the middle only. That we will have 2 equal parts. So one watermelon is divided into 2 equal parts. 1 and 2. So each part is 1 half. Is it clear, everyone? 1 half. The concept of 1 half is clear to all of you. 1 upon is said to be 1 half. Now, if I am saying you to divide it in 4 people, it among 4 people, so cut it in 4 equal parts. So one horizontal section and one vertical section. Thereafter we will have 4 equal parts, and that will be said to be 1/4. In my total parts were 2, or we are talking about 1, so 1 upon 2. Here total parts 1, 2, 3, 4. How many total parts? 4. And out of these 4 parts I am talking about 1. So the fraction will be 1 upon 4. Is it clear, everyone? if I am saying you that what is the fraction for the shaded region? What is the fraction for the shaded region? You can also tell. Yes? Sorry? Yes, yes.
1/2.
1/2. Why? How many total parts we are having? 2. Total parts mean collection. So 2 will be written as denominator. Okay. Total part is collection. And from this collection, out of this collection, how many parts I have shaded? 1 part I have shaded. So the fraction will be 1/2. And 1/2 ko what do we say? Half or 1/2. Okay. Now what will be the fraction for the shaded region? Wait. Yes, Arjun.
4/4.
4/4. Any other?
Ma'am,
Fariti?
8/4. 8/4.
Manvi? 4/8. Very good. Why? Sit down, all of you. How many total parts we are having? How many total parts? 8. The total parts is to be written under or below the fraction bar, that is said to be denominator. So what is the denominator? 8. That's clear?
Yes.
Out of these 8 parts, how many parts we have shaded? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/8. Now check out if both of these numbers have any common factor. 4 and 8 comes in one table. 4. We can say by 4, na?
Yeah.
Both the numbers are getting divisible by 4. So 4 divided by 4 equals to 1. And this will be 2. Means this is half. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear, everyone? The concept of the fraction, that how do we convert, is clear to all of you? Now we have types of fractions. Okay, first one is like fraction. What are like fractions? The fractions which are having the same denominator are called like fractions. The fractions which are having the same denominator. This means whatever is written under the fraction bar, that will be equal. If the numbers are same, if the denominators are same, the fractions are said to be the like fractions. For example, 3/5, 6/5, 2/5 and 7/5. 7/5. Okay. Now on observing this, we can see that in all the above fractions, all the denominators are same, and that is 5. So if the denominators are same, then the numbers are said, the fractions are said to be like fractions. Clear, everyone? Now unlike fraction is the opposite of like fraction. Unlike fraction is the opposite of like fractions. So in like fractions, we just see the same denominators. So if we are talking about the opposite, what will be the opposite? Different denominators. Opposite of like fractions is unlike fractions. If the words are opposite, then their meanings will also be opposite. In like fractions, we check out the same denominator, and in unlike fractions, we have the different denominators. Okay, the denominator should be different. The denominator should not be the same. Like 3 upon 5, 6 upon 7, 2 upon 9, 7 upon 2. In all these 4 fractions, we can see that the denominators are 5, 7, 9 and 2, and all of these are totally different denominators. This means the fractions are unlike fractions. Okay, 2 parts we have done. Now third one is unit fraction. A fraction whose numerator is 1. The meaning of unit is 1. The word unit shows the 1 only. So a fraction whose numerator is 1 and denominator is a whole number is said to be the unit fraction. इतनी बड़ी डेफिनेशन में जाओगे and you will get confused. So just keep in mind the fractions with the numerator 1 are unit fractions. Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter whatever the denominator is, the numerator should be the 1 only. Like 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 100. Any other denominator we can have. Okay, is this clear to everyone? Unit fraction, the simplest type of the fraction. Now first we have done like fraction, second unlike fraction, third unit fraction. Now proper and improper fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction in which its numerator is less than its denominator, meaning its value is less than 1, are said to be proper fraction. In short, in proper fraction आपको ये check करना होता है that the numerator is less than numerator should be less than denominator. Only this you have to keep in your mind. Okay, for example, 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 9 are proper fractions. How these are proper fractions? Because the numerator 1 is smaller than the denominator 2. Okay, in 4 upon 9 also, denominator is greater than the numerator. And this only we want. Okay, it's clear everyone? Now, opposite of proper fraction is improper fraction. And in improper fraction is a fraction in which its numerator is greater than or equals to its denominator, meaning its value is greater than or equals to 1. Opposite will be numerator will be greater than denominator. या तो वो greater होगा या फिर equals. Numerator should be greater than or equals to its okay. Like if I am talking about 9 upon 5 and 7 upon 7. In 9 upon 5, numerator is 9, denominator is 5 and numerator is greater than denominator. So this is said to be improper fraction. Okay. Now in 7 upon 7, numerator is equals to denominator. So this is said to be improper fraction. Is it clear everyone?
Yes.
Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and the last one is mixed fraction. Okay, mixed number is written here. So fraction consisting of a whole number and a proper fraction. The fraction which have a whole number, okay, that is not a part of anything or a part of any number. Like if I am saying about A write B by C, that means A is a whole number and B by C is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is smaller than denominator. Clear everyone? Like examples of mixed fractions are 1 write 1 by 2, 2 write 3 by 4 and 12 write 2 by 3. In this 1 is whole number. In this what is whole number? 2. And in this 12. ये क्या है हमारा whole number. Now proper fraction is 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 2 upon 3. These are proper fractions. Okay. So that can show that mixed fraction is a combination of whole numbers or proper fractions. How do we convert in mixed fraction? Anyone of you knows? Only just tell me if you know. How do we convert any improper fraction in mixed fraction? By with the help of what you said, Jadeep, right now? Divide you said. So with the help of division we can convert any improper fraction in the mixed fraction. Okay. If I am talking about, first we are talking about to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. How do we do that? First we do multiplication of denominator with this. So 2 multiplied by 1 कितना हो गया? 2. Now whatever comes just add numerator plus 1, 3, or denominator will be the same only, 3 upon 2. Now the question is from you. What will be the improper fraction of this? Jadeep?
23 upon 3.
23 upon 3. Nitin?
22 upon 3.
22 upon 3. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. 21 plus 2, 1, 22 upon 3. Okay? Clear everyone? This I have told to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now if improper fraction is given to you, how do we convert it in proper fraction? Mixed fraction, sorry. Suppose 8 upon 3 is given to you. एक मेथड होता है, आप डिविजन करने बैठे हो, रिमाइंडर एंड क्वेश्चन, डिविडेंड, डिविजन you are writing. No issue. Whatever I am telling you, just do that. In the table of 3, do we have 8? No. The number just less than 8 is 6. And how many times 6 comes? 2 times. Whatever. So 2 is the whole number for us. Okay. 2 is the whole number for us. Now from out of 8 we have used 6. Out of 8 we have used 6. So how many are remaining now? 2. That will be numerator or denominator. Same we have. If you want to check, you can check 3 multiplied by 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Clear? One more example I am telling you. (19 upon 5). In the table of 5, do we have 19? No. The number just less than 19 is 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. 15 comes 3 times. So what is 3? Whole number. Out of 19 we have used 15. How much is remaining now? 4. 4 is remainder, that will be our numerator, and denominator will be written same. Is that clear? Yes. If you want to check, we can check. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. And 19 upon 5 already we were having. Okay, students? Now this one is equivalent fractions. The meaning of equi is equals. The meaning of equi is equals. So equivalent fractions are the fractions which have the same value. Equivalent fractions are the fractions which do have the same value. The numerator and denominator can be the changed, but their value will be the same only. It can be obtained, and if I am telling you, if I am asking you, just tell me the equivalent fraction of any fraction. So what you will do, we can obtain the equivalent fraction by multiplying both the numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, if I am multiplying numerator by 2 and the denominator also by 2, there will be no change in the value of the fraction. Okay, If I am multiplying numerator by 3 and I have to multiply denominator also by 3. Clear? So equivalent fractions we can have by multiplying both the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same non-zero whole number. For example, find two equivalent fractions of 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 के two equivalent fractions we have to find out. Now the question is, why do we not multiply by the 1? Because if we are multiplying 1 upon 4 by 1 and 1, we will already have 1 upon 4 only. So that is of no sense. After 1 we are using 2. So I am multiplying 1 by 2 and 4 also by 2. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. One number I am having, that is 2 upon 8. इसका मतलब 4 upon 1 upon 4 के इक्वल्स है 2 upon 8. I think this is not visible. Okay. Now after 2, I will multiply both the numbers by 3 and 3. 1 3 जा 4 3 जा 12. So 3 upon 12 is one of the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 4. We can see that it is like a table only. 1 1 is 1, 1 2 is 2, 1 3 is 3, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, and we can find out the more equivalent fractions. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Simplest form. How do we find out the simplest form? First of all, identify the fraction. Total parts, how many we are having? 6 parts total. 6 parts, okay. Out of these 6 parts, how many parts are shaded? 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. How many total parts we are having? 6. Out of these 6 parts, how many are shaded? 3. So the fraction will be 3 upon 6. Now if both the numbers are having any common factor, highest common factor, so 3 comes in the table of 3 and 6 also comes in the table of 3. So we have divided both the numbers by the same number. जैसे हम multiply करते same non-zero number से, we have to divide also by the same non-zero numbers. Okay? So we have divided both the numerator and denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, 2. Clear है? So we have reduced 3 upon 6 to 1 upon 2. The simplest form is 1 upon 2. Clear है सबको? Is it clear all of you? First, what we are doing? Fractions के topics we are discussing. Total how many parts we have studied? Speak one by one. First one was? After like fractions we have discussed about? Thereafter? Then the next one was then and the last one was discussing in brief. Like fractions में what do we observe?
Same denominator.
Same denominator. denominators. And in unlike fractions, unit fractions, numerator 1. You can say numerator as 1. Proper fractions, numerator should be smaller than denominator. Okay? Numerator should be smaller than denominator, that means denominator should be greater. And in improper fraction, and 1 equals, yes, very good. And in improper fraction, numerator should be greater than denominator, or numerator should be equals to its denominator. Okay, that is improper fraction. Okay, now mixed fractions may mixed fraction is the combination of two types of numbers. What are these? Whole number and a proper fraction. This is a combination of whole numbers and proper fraction. Okay, and the last one is equivalent fraction. What is the meaning of equi or valent means value. So equivalent fractions are the fractions with same value. That all the types are clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. In case of finding equivalent fractions, what do we do? Multiply. By what?
With the non-zero number.
All of you are giving me examples, but the correct meaning, correct word will be used, that to find the equivalent fraction, just multiply the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. Okay, whole number. Okay, and in case of simplest form, what do? We do division. Clear everyone? Clear all of you?
Yes.
Okay, now I am asking you all, I am just writing some of the fractions, then I will ask that out of these what is unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction. Okay. First, I am asking you like fraction. All of you know the meaning of like fraction. Just tell me out of these examples how many like fractions we are having. Speak up.
Like 2. Memory 2.
Okay, now speak up the fractions only.
7 upon 5 and 8 upon 5.
7 upon 5 and 8 upon 5. Any other?
And 1 upon 2.
2 pairs we are having. Okay, in one pair we are having the numerators 5. In this, देखो first pair किसका बनेगा? 7 upon 5, comma 8 upon 5. One more we are having, that is 7, right? 1 by 5. ये है मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में, बट आफ्टर सॉल्विंग इट, आफ्टर कन्वर्टिंग इट, we will have the 5 as the denominator only. Clear? And the second one is 1/2 and 6, right? 1/2. Now, unlike fractions, with the
Excuse me, ma'am. One more can build, ma'am. 2/3 and 1/3.
yes, very good. Okay, unlike fractions mean the different denominators. So देखो 5, 2 and 3 cancelled. We have used, so 5 done, 3 done, and only this. Unit fraction.
1/2, 1/3, 7.
No, that will not be. Numerator तो change हो जाएगा. On converting it, we will have the numerator different. Okay. After this, proper fraction is
2/3, 7/6, 1/2,
what is the meaning of proper fraction? Numerator should be smaller than denominator. Numerator is smaller we want. In this numerator is greater. तो ये तो चला गया improper में. 2/3. Numerator is greater. किस में गया? Improper में. 1/2, 1/3. Improper में गया. Now this on converting mixed fraction वो भी improper में जाएगा, but right now we are not writing it in improper fraction, हम इसको mixed fraction में include करेंगे. Okay, तो proper fraction 3 we are having. Improper fraction is how much?
7/5, 7/6.
Just hold on. 7/5.
7/6, 8/5.
Okay, if I am telling you कि इन दोनों को भी we have to write, so what will be written?
Mix.
Change करो, convert it in improper. 2 multiplied by 6, 12. 12 and 1, 13. 13/2. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 1, 36/5. Okay, other mixed fractions, how many we are having? 1, 2 and 2. These are
Mixed fractions.
clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
All the topics are clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
First was the meaning of fraction. Second, types of fraction that we have done. After that, equivalent fractions, simplest form I have told you, and some of the examples we have done. And that is all for today. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day, all of you.